When autumn arrives, most of us see fallen leaves as a chore, something to rake up and compost. But by rushing them to the compost heap, we miss their true value. Dry leaves aren't just another compost ingredient. They're nature's slow-release gift to the soil. Unlike green waste, which breaks down fast, dry leaves are rich in carbon and decompose slowly. This is their superpower. When we mix them into compost, we lose their unique ability to build lasting soil structure. Think of compost as food for your garden, but dry leaves are the bricks and mortar, the foundation for healthy soil. Composting leaves right away is like turning building blocks into a quick snack, instead of letting them create a strong home for soil life. By treating leaves as mere waste, we miss out on their long-term benefits. Used right, they create a resilient, thriving environment for plants. Don't rush your leaves. Let them work their magic. Here's a simple method to unlock the real power of autumn leaves. Shred, moisten, and bury them. Shred leaves with a mower or shredder to increase surface area. This helps soil life get to work. Moisten them until they're like a wrung-out sponge. Dig a shallow trench, just a few inches deep, in your garden bed. Spread the shredded damp leaves in the trench and cover with soil. This 60-day secret tucks the leaves in for a slow transformation. Underground, the leaves stay cool and damp, perfect for fungi and soil creatures to break them down. Unlike compost piles, this method mimics the forest floor, where leaves decompose slowly, building rich, structured soil. You're not just copying nature, you're speeding up its best process. In 2 months, you'll have a hidden layer of garden gold. It's easy, natural, and brings the power of the forest to your backyard. Try it and see the difference. Once buried, leaves spark a hidden transformation. First, microbes feast on the soft parts, starting the decay. Then, fungi move in, sending out white threads, mycelium, that break down tough leaf material and bind soil together. This creates the beginnings of great soil structure. Soon, earthworms arrive, drawn to the cool, food-rich layer. They tunnel, eat, and leave behind nutrient-rich castings, further improving the soil. After 60 days, the leaf layer merges with the soil, making it darker, richer, and full of air pockets. The result, soil that holds water, drains well, and supports strong plant roots. You're not just feeding your soil, you're rebuilding it from the ground up. All from a simple layer of buried leaves. Burying leaves and making compost serve different purposes. Compost is a quick nutrient boost. Think of it as a meal for your plants. Buried leaves, on the other hand, build the soil's structure, creating a spongy, resilient foundation. This structure helps roots grow deeper and wider and holds moisture longer. Plants in leaf-enriched soil are stronger, healthier, and more drought-resistant. Use compost for immediate nutrition when planting seedlings or feeding heavy feeders. Use buried leaves to create the lasting framework your garden needs. Together, they're the ultimate team. Compost feeds, leaves build. Don't choose one over the other. Combine them for the best results. That's how you create a thriving, sustainable garden. Let your soil have both the meal and the foundation. For best results, bury leaves in autumn or early spring, after harvest or before planting. You don't need to do it every year. Once every 2 or 3 years per bed is enough. Don't bury leaves too deep. Keep them within a few inches of the surface. Always shred them to prevent matting and avoid leaves from trees like walnut that can harm plants. Each time you bury leaves, you boost organic matter, water retention, and soil life. This isn't a quick fix. It's a long-term investment in your garden's health. Healthier soil means stronger plants, bigger harvests, and less work for you. So, next time you see a pile of leaves, see them as building blocks, not waste. Shred, moisten and bury them. You'll create a living foundation for years to come. That's the secret power hidden in every dry leaf.